guys, today I will be making slime. Just so you know, I have glue and I have borax with water in it. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. Let me put my camera down. Guys, I just added in my borax and now I'm just mixing it. Guys, leave in the comments if you think that I added too much. And you stir it. Well, guys, it just turned out a complete failure.